Fi yw Jade a dyma Dystillfa Welsh Witch. And we are in Mae'r Distillery in Brumbo, where I create all the spirits here, so gin, vodka and rum. Truthfully, it was a hobby to begin with, as I set up a mobile bar business, so that's where it started. Then we wanted to create house spirits for our bar. So I launched in December of 2019, and then obviously COVID followed just after that. And I was just kind of finding my feet. Charlotte is my main point of contact, but I feel just as supported by those who I meet as well. The support that I have received as a business from the Welsh Government and Cywain has truly been invaluable for myself and for Welsh Witch, and I would highly recommend any food or drink business to sign up.
So mae Jade wedi bod yn glient i Cywain ers dros 4 mlynedd wan, just ar ôl Covid, so mae wedi bod yn siwrne really exciting i'r cwmni. Ers y 4 blynedd dwytha yma, mae Jade wedi cael ystod eang o gymorth. Pob peth o mentora, cymorth brandio, bob math o bethau. Test treidio, bob math o bethau sydd wedi helpu hi i dyfu'r busnes. A mae'n gymorth mor arbennig a mor bespoke i'r cwmni.
My business model and plan was to go out with the bar and then maybe hit some makers markets on the weekends. So within the year I set up here, which is what I always hoped to do once I knew that the business had legs. I have had support from some designers to create retail packages for the brand. Looking at those who are a bit further on in their journey than I am, I would love to be like them in the next couple of years. So I'm off to London with Cywain, the Welsh Government, on a whistle-stop tour bus, looking at some of the retail outlets that we could maybe reach out to this year, just for a little bit of market research, I think. So I'm looking forward to that.
Felly mae Jade yn cymryd mantais ar gyfer pob peth. Os dwi'n gyrru e-bost iddi efo unrhyw gyfleon, mae sydd arni gyrru e-bost a mynd amdani. Mae mor ddiolchgar am unrhyw gyfleon sydd yn lyflu i weld. So ni wrth y modd yn y dyfodol agos gweld Jade a'i chynnyrch mewn siopau arbennig fatha Harrods, Selfridges a lle bynnag yn y byd. Dwi'n meddwl bod nhw'n llawn haeddiannu bod ar silffoedd o gwmpas y byd. Fydd rhywun fel y fi yn bob man yn Gymru yn fodlon eich helpu chi dyfu eich busnes. Os ydych chi yn gynhyrchwr yma yn Gymru, plis cysylltwch â ni. Ewch i'n gwefan cywain.cymru.